Weekly channel. This is your Ushanya Vaishnavi and today's video is about physics lesson Bioyan force. This is gonna be an interesting topic. Okay, while going to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share and tell your doubts in comments. Don't forget to subscribe and let's go to the channel. For Bioyan force, there is one more interesting topic, fluid. In this fluid, we have three cases. In that cases, we have to learn Bioyan force. It will come in case 1. Okay. Now let us learn about fluid. What is fluid? The liquid form and the gaseous form is called as a fluid. For example, water is a liquid form and oxygen is a gaseous form. Is this true or not? Yes. Then let us assume that water. This is called as fluid. Yes or no? The liquid form and gaseous form is called as fluid. That's it. The substance which is in a liquid form and gaseous form is called as fluid. This is the definition of fluid. Now, in this fluid, I told as it has 3 cases. In the 2 cases, I am going to now tell case 1. What is case 1? Now let us assume a rectangle bowl which contains water. Full of water. And now let us assume that we take a piece from this. Okay? We take a piece from this. How we get to take a piece? You all have a doubt that. Just assume that. Just imagine. For example, in a solid one, I took a cake and I cut it and I removed it. So, I removed the cake or not? A piece of cake. Like that only. In this, we have to imagine that we took a piece. Okay? This piece name is A, B, C, D. The A, B, C, D have mass 2. That A, B, C, D have a mass? Yes or no? If a particle have a mass, the particle it compulsory should have mass. So, its mass name is, mass is denoted by small m, no? So, in this fluid case, the mass is denoted by F. In solid case, what is the solid case? This is in fluid case. In a solid case, mass is equals to ms. Okay? This is fluid. F is nothing but fluid and solid is. S is nothing but solid. So, this has a mass called as mf. Okay. Mass is called as mf. So, I took a part of here. I took part out of the fluid. So, it's midpoint. Down it exists gravitational force. The gravitational force will exist down. So, with the mass I wrote gravitational force mfg. We have to not spell F. mg. That's it. We have to not spell F. Just mg. And the force extracted upward is called as Bioyan force. The force of a fluid which extract upward direction is nothing but Bioyan force. The force which extract upward direction. The upward is up. So, in this direction of this piece, in the upward direction, there is a Bioyan force. So, this is called as Bioyan force. So, in case 1, B is equals to M F G. This is a normal case. Case 1 is a normal case. Normal case. So, in case 1, they just told us what? They just told let A, B, C, D have the piece from it. So down it consists of gravitational force and it has a mass called mf, and the upward exerted force is called as Bioelectric force. So in the case 1 we learned the B is equals to mg. So yes or no? In case 1 we learned about B is equals to mg. Now we are going to do case 2. Case 2 is very simple. Okay guys, in case 2 they just told us what? ABCD. What in our imagination, what is ABCD? The piece. The piece of fluid is known as ABCD. We named that as ABCD. Okay. Then ABCD is going upward. Going upward. It is going upward. So then Bioelectric forces. Just in case 2 we have to derive the equation. So we have to just solve the equation and we have to give the formula of Bioelectric force when it is going upward. So when the piece of fluid is going upward, it is floating. Yes or no? It's floating. So in that assumption, I am going to tell the derivation. So F net. In solid form you will learn this. F net is equals to Bioelectric force minus mfg. Yes or no? mfg. So we can take this as MA. F net is nothing but MFA is equals to B minus MFG. Yes or no? F net is nothing but MA is nothing but force. F net is nothing but force. So force is equals to MA. Yes or no? Our Newton's second law tells us force is equals to MA. So in that equation I will derive this. MA is equals to B minus MG. So then D will come here. B is equals to MFA plus, when it goes here it becomes plus MFG. Then what it will become? B is equals to MF brackets. We have to take M as common. A plus G. This is the formula while it is going upwards. B is equals to M is common. A plus G is the formula of when it is going upwards. When the piece of fluid is going upwards, this is the formula. Okay, now we have to go to case 3. Our diagram told us there is a piece of fluid ABCD named like this. We all totally drawn a diagram and named it, and we did all the forces up. And in our question of case 3, they asked that ABCD is coming down. Means it is going down. Then it is sinking. No, it is sinking. When it will come up, it is floating. When it is going down, it is sinking. So when it is coming down, so then the Bioelectric forces, same that question only. They changed the going down to going up and coming down. So just we have to observe the question and we have to write the definition of that. It's in first case 2, they asked that going up. And now case 3, they asked that coming down. Okay. Now let us derive the following. Okay. Then F net. F net is equals to, in our question we took that B minus mg. In this question we have to take mg minus b. Okay. Now F net is nothing but MA, as I told in first question. So mfg minus b, and b comes here. the minus turns in the same place because minus b is not coming here. Only plus b, only this b is coming here. So the minus turns in here only. So MFA minus MFG. Yes or no? And here I took M as common and G minus A. This is the equation. This is the formula from where we get from S net is equals to MFG minus B. So the case 3 our formula is B is equals to MFG minus A. This is our formula in our case 3. Now in a fluid there is upward buoyant force exists and downward gravitational force and mass exists. In a solid, what is it? You all have doubt, no? I will just clear it now. Our heading is in solid cases. So, there is a particle and it is going in a rough surface. Okay? In this particle, what forces will act? Okay. There is a normal force here and there is a contact force here and here is a reaction force. Not here. This is when the body is moving, it consists of frictional force here, and here in between normal and frictional force there acts a reaction force. So this side of F, this side of frictional force and this side of F. So when it is moving, the F will come here. When the force is at the body is at rest, we will not get here frictional force. We will get here static friction. Static friction we will get here. We will not get here F. We will get only static friction when it is at rest. When it is moving, we will get kinetic friction. Kinetic friction when it is moving. When it rests, means rest means the body is in a same position. Means I am at rest. I am not moving to that side and this side. My rest is nothing but static friction. I am in a static friction. So when I am moving, it consists of a frictional force which is nothing but a kinetic friction. Kinetic friction or frictional force. In a normal books there is frictional force. For 10th class it is kinetic friction. Okay. This is in a solid case. In our fluid case, here there is buoyant force and here there is gravitational force and nothing. And down it is a gravitational force. It is common for all. So this diagram is for solid case. I will draw this. A particle, it is moving in a rough place. Upward it will react with normal force, and here it is a contact force, and here it is a reactional force, here it is a frictional force, and here it is a smaller. And down it will react a G. So here S will be or K will be. Okay, this is optional. So this is guys about buoyant force, and in one video I'll studied a solid case 2 and a fluid case 2. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my Sweetheart Sweetie channel. Bye guys, welcome to bye.